Alright, we're here for episode 2 on Shakers Conglomerate of the 240SX project build. What we're going to start with today is taking all the connectors off, the wires off, and prep the engine and transmission to come out. So we'll get started on disconnecting those wires. And I'm just going to put you guys on top of that, so I do that. Alrighty, so that's episode 2. Got the wires all disconnected other than one on the transmission that I have to do when I jack the vehicle up tomorrow to take the engine out, and I have to go over to the shop to get the engine crane and the jack. So thanks for watching. This has been a pleasure getting started on this project today with you, and I look forward to many more videos with you guys. Thanks for watching Shakers Conglomerate. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.